What's going on, everyone? Northeast RC here. A little late to the party on the whole Redcat Gen 8 V2, but I've had a crawler for almost 15 years. I have a Tamiya CR02 or 01, whatever the heck it is. I've had that for almost 15 years now and didn't really use that one that much. Kind of wanted to get something a little newer, something up to date. So now that I'm back into the whole RC thing, I decided to get the Redcat Gen 8 V2. Caught a screaming deal on this thing on Amazon. It was a return open box. So we're going to take a look at it in a second. And I had a $60 voucher for Amazon. So long story short, ended up getting the thing for like 230 bucks. So let's take a look at it. Let's unbox it and do some first impressions on the Redcat Gen 8. All right, here it is, the Redcat Gen 8 V2. This is how they shipped it. Good thing I was home when FedEx delivered it, because if somebody's seen this on a porch, they'd snatch it. But luckily I'm so far off the road, nobody would know if I had a full-size truck on my on my lawn. So this is the box that came in. They didn't put it inside of a box. They just put a label on this and shipped it. So let's see what it looks like. I haven't opened it yet. I'm opening this on camera with you guys for the first time. So we're going to see what it looks like. So far, so good. I mean, it's all wrapped. You can see it's all bubble wrapped. So let's get the bubble wrap out of the way. I got our manual. This is sealed. Some brand new parts in that. This box is going bye-bye anyway, so let's just open it that way. Looks pretty good here. So far, so good. I don't know what it's held down with. It's got zip ties in there, so let's cut the zip ties out. Let's get our side cutters in here. Okay, zip ties are cut. Get this thing out of the box. Got the radio. This does not look used at all, guys, to me. So obviously it was just a return, open box return. So I'll put that aside. Make sure there's nothing else in the box. Always check your box is good. And luckily I did, because we got all the beautiful Redcat stickers, brand new right here. And I'm looking forward to putting those on the truck, actually. So let's get that out of the way. Got our Redcat stickers. Let's put that off to the side over here. That all out of the way. Let's get our Eco Power stand right here. All right, so here it is. Let's do the honors of unpeeling the plastic. Man, she's beautiful. Look at her. Green's one of my favorite colors, so I had to get it in green, of course. We got our scale mirrors on there. Let's flip those out. Let's give it a little, let's move this over a little more so we can turn it. We got our shackles in the front here. I'm going to change those to metal ones, obviously. These are crap plastic. But yeah, first impressions of it, it looks pretty darn good. See around the back side. Gen 8 V2. Shackles back here. Got your trailer hitch. Lights. Can't wait to install lights on this. All right, let's see how difficult this Velcro body is to get off. Everybody says it's a real bitch to get off. And it kind of is. We're going to have to do this with magnets. Let me get this stand out of the way. We don't need it on the stand right this second. All right, so I got the body off. The Velcro is just crap. It ripped right off the fender. Way too hard to take off. I'm going to order magnets for this tonight. Magnets are the way to go on the body. That Velcro was a very bad design by Redcat. Overlooking everything else, it's got Dean's connector I don't use, so I'm probably going to take that off and solder on an IC5. No tube for the antenna, which is no big deal. I have one. Motor looks all right. Servo looks good. Let's look underneath. Everything looks good under here. A little dusty, but looks good nonetheless. The tires are not used at all. This is definitely was just an open box return. So everything looks good. Everything checks out good so far. I'm digging it. Let's put this body back on. So that slides on like so. With the Velcro, which again, this Velcro is a very, very bad design. I don't know what Redcat was thinking with this Velcro. This side you can't even really get off. So the way it is now, you can just about get it off. It's a real pain. And like I said, this one just came right off completely. But again, it's a crawler, so I mean, not going to be taking the body on and off too much, but see, this side's already, the Velcro's not even sticking now on this side. So I'm not pleased with that, but it's an easy fix to remedy. I'm going to get magnets for it, order magnets for it tonight. But I think it's a pretty awesome truck. I'm pretty happy with the detail on it. Once I get the stickers on it, it'll look a little better. And I'm obviously going to go through this and upgrade it because I can't leave anything stock. We're going to put the light kit in it. We're going to put different wheels and tires on it. Start putting a lot of aluminum and brass on this thing. I just want to do a serious scale build to this. So if you guys are interested, stick around because I'm going to be ordering parts for this probably on a weekly basis and doing probably a weekly video on this because this is going to be probably a prized possession of mine once I'm done with it. Just because I like the look of scale stuff. I think it's more fun than some of the other stuff. I mean, sure, the 8S Outcast is awesome. The Infraction's great. Those are fun. But this is more like a model to me, like a childhood model. So I want to really get this nice and done up really nice, scale as I can, and just, you know, take it out in the trails and crawl with it and have some fun. But yeah, this is just a quick first look at the Redcat Gen 8 V2 Scout 2 in the green. I think it's awesome. We're going to name this the Green Machine, I think, and we're going to do a build on it. So stay tuned, guys. This is just a quick little look at the Redcat Gen 8 V2. All right, guys, till next time, keep building and bashing them.